Hi, it's Cindy with Body Fit Physical Therapy, and just want to go over knee pain with either squatting or lunging. Some people have tight adductors. I find that sometimes relaxing and taking off some tension from the inner part of the thigh where the adductors are is a nice way to alleviate some knee pain. So some quick easy things you can do with that. I do like rolling. So you bring the roller in. I get into a 90-90 position with the roller. So that's leg out. Leg goes 90 degrees here, and then I'm just kind of rolling back and forth on that inner part of the thigh, kind of changing my angle a bit, back and forth, and I could do this for a few minutes, getting just to kind of mid-thigh. Don't go past mid-thigh region up to the groin area. Then going into a bit of a groin stretch, you can be in this kind of froggy position here. So as I'm opening the legs up a bit, I can kind of sit back and down into that, opening the legs more, sitting the bottom down into towards the floor even more. Another nice one to do is just standing dynamic stretching. So you'd be, after you roll, potentially you just go into a standing stretch, go into this nice hinging position, go back and forth, keeping the knee bent here, stretching out the inner part. Just remember to keep that hinge so that as you lean into it, you're not flexing too far forward. It's just not good for your low back. This gives me a nice, good stretch. I can do this dynamically while the workout is being explained. I can do some of this pre-work before the workout to help with any knee pain.